Hi friends, in this lecture I will be dealing with the basic electronics subject and myself Deepashri AP. The complete syllabus for the module 2 is shown. The highlighted portions will be covered in this video lecture. MOSFET, that is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. MOSFET is another category of FET. The MOSFET different from JFET in the way that it has no PN junction structure. Instead, the gate of the MOSFET is insulated from the channel by a silicon dioxide layer. The two types of MOSFETs are enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. Of the two types, the enhancement MOSFET is more widely used because polycrystalline silicon is now used for the gate material instead of the metal. These devices are sometimes called IGFETs, that is insulated gate FETs. Enhancement MOSFET or eMOSFET operates only in enhancement mode and not in depletion mode. So here the figure basic structure construction it is shown here, and after giving the supply for the gate as well as drain to source drain, it is shown here. So this basic construction induce in enhancement mode, it doesn't have a channel here, so it has to induce the channel when proper supply is given to the gate. So this is the circuit after gate supply is given. When it is gate supply is given, it induces the channel. The substrate, here we can notice that substrate extends completely to silicon dioxide layer. So this is the substrate. These are the two regions, end regions. We don't have a channel here. Instead we have the substrate. So substrate extends to this till this silicon dioxide layer. For an n-channel device, a positive gate voltage above a threshold value induces a channel by creating a thin layer. See, observe this. This is the P channel. P substrate. So in this case, if the positive gate voltage is applied, what happens? Which in the P, which will be the majority carriers? That is, holes will be the majority carriers and electrons will be the minority carriers. So if I give the plus voltage for the gate, then which gets attracted? That is negative electrons get attracted, isn't it? So when electrons get attracted, it is of negative charge, it induces a channel. So there become a channel from this end to this end. In this way it induces a channel, but the given voltage should be greater than a particular threshold voltage. For an n-channel device, a positive gate voltage above a threshold value induces a channel by creating a thin layer of negative charges in the substrate region adjacent to silicon layer. The conductivity of the channel is enhanced by increasing the gate to source voltage. So to increase the conductivity of this channel, we can increase this gate voltage. So if we increase the gate voltage, what it happens? If we increase the gate voltage, it will pull more and more electrons. So the conductivity of the channel increases. For any gate voltage below the threshold value, there will not be any channel. That is, if the given voltage is below the threshold value, then there will not be any channel here. So in this we can see the symbol for P channel as well as P channel enhancement MOSFET as well as N channel. So this is the P channel. The broken line symbolize the absence of physical channel. So in this enhancement MOSFET schematic single, so we have the broken lines here. So this is of N channel. The arrow is inside, and if the arrow is outside, then it is the P channel. MOSFET has three terminals, that is gate, gate, drain and source. Next, the other type is depletion MOSFET. Another type of MOSFET is the depletion MOSFET, that is D-MOSFET. The drain and source are diffused into substrate material and then connected by a narrow channel adjacent to the insulated gate. Both N channel and P channel device are shown in the figure. Normally we will be using N channel device to describe the basic operation. The P channel operation is same, only the voltage polarities changes. And what is the difference between enhancement and depletion? In enhancement, we have to induce a channel by giving proper gate voltage. But in case of depletion, we can see a channel already present in that. Channel already we have. So we can see the circuit, or we can see the diagram for N channel as well as P channel. See here, this is the P substrate, this is N region, this is N region, and in between them there is a channel. In the same way, this is N substrate, this is P. This both regions are P, and between have a P channel. So depending upon the channel, it has the name. Like if this is N channel D MOSFET, this is P channel D MOSFET. The D MOSFET can be operated in either of two modes, the depletion mode or enhancement mode, and sometimes it is called a depletion or enhancement MOSFET. Like it can be operated in enhancement mode or depletion mode. Since the gate is insulated from the channel, a positive or negative voltage can be applied. So both a positive gate is insulated, so any positive voltage or negative voltage both can be applied. The N channel MOSFET in the depletion mode, when a negative gate to source voltage is applied, and in the enhancement mode, that is, if we apply a negative gate to source voltage, then it operates in depletion mode, and if we apply positive gate to source voltage, then it will operate in enhancement mode. These devices are generally operated in depletion mode. Depletion mode visualizes the gate as one plate of the parallel plate capacitor and channel as the other plate. Like what it does is, when in the depletion mode, it acts as a two parallel plates of the capacitor. The silicon dioxide insulating layer is a dielectric. Like silicon dioxide layer, this both act as parallel plate, and this is the dielectric in between them. When a negative gate to source voltage is given, the negative charges on the gate, that is when negative gate to source voltage, negative voltage it is given. So what is the majority carriers in N region? It will be electrons. Like if we give negative, these electrons get moves away from that. It doesn't get attracted, it repels, we can say that. So when a negative gate voltage, the negative charges on the gate repel conduction electrons from the channel. That is, here majority carrier it is electrons. So due to that conduction occurs. But what it happens when I give the negative charge to the gate, this conduction electrons repels from the channel, leaving positive ions in their place. So N channel is depleted of some of its electrons, thus decreasing the channel conductivity. So as the electrons leaves from that N channel to the substrate, what it happens? The conductivity of the channel, it decreases. At a sufficient negative gate to source voltage, that is VGF off, the channel is totally depleted and drain current is 0. So at a particular voltage, say VGF off, channel will be completely depleted, like all the electrons will deplete from the channel to the substrate, only the positive ion will be remain there. So at that instant, the drain current becomes 0. Enhancement mode. So this is the working of depletion mode. The same thing is explained here. Here also you can see the operation of depletion mode. Enhancement mode, with the positive gate voltage, more conduction electrons are attracted into the channel. That is enhancement. If it is in enhancement, that is gate should be applied with the positive voltage, then we call it as enhancement mode. If we apply gate with the positive voltage, we call that as enhancement mode. In case of D MOSFET, it is operating in the enhancement mode. Thus so what it happens when here it is plus, it gets attracted to the electrons. So the more conduction electrons are attracted into the channel, thus increasing the channel conductivity. So here we can see that when negative voltage is given, positive gets attracted. Positive means it is the minority charge carrier in the N region, and the electrons get repelled. So conductivity reduces. But in this case, enhancement mode, VGS is positive, so negative charge ions get attracted and electrons get attracted and holes gets repelled. Thank you friends. Please refer my blog for the notes or PPTs. That blog is Explore Electronics and the path is given here. Please do subscribe for the videos so that you will get new updates and press the bell icon. Thank you.